Ministry of Civil Aviation has permitted to restore the scheduled domestic air operations without any capacity restriction from October 18th. The airlines and airport operators shall, however, ensure that the guidelines to contain the spread of COVID-19 are strictly adhered to. An official order read, COVID-19 appropriate behavior should be strictly enforced by them during travel, it stated. The government's Subject Expert Committee has recommended granting approval to Bharat Biotech's COVID-19 vaccine, Covaxin, for emergency use among children aged between 2 and 18 years. The Drugs Controller General of India will take the final call. The Hyderabad-based vaccine maker submitted data from Phase 2 and 3 clinical trials on children to DCGI last week. Central Coalfields CMD PM Prasad has said Coal India stock will last for at least 20 days. There's no coal shortage. Stocks are at low level because of high power generation this year, he added. In the last 3 to 4 days, power plants have been getting coal. If their requirement is 1.6 million tons, almost 1.5 million tons is being met, Prasad said. At least 3 terrorists of Lashkar-e-Taiba LET have been killed during an encounter in Jammu and Kashmir's Shopian on Tuesday, Kashmir Zone Police said. Out of the 3 killed terrorists, 1 terrorist has been identified as Mukhtar Shah of Gandarbal, who shifted to Shopian after killing one street hawker Virendra Paswan of Bihar, it added. Incriminating materials recovered, Kashmir Police Zone tweeted. United Nations Secretary General Antonio Guterres has said that he is particularly alarmed to see Taliban breaking promises made to Afghan women and girls. I strongly appeal to the Taliban to keep their promises and fulfill their obligations under international human rights and humanitarian law, he added. Without women's education, there's no way that Afghan economy will recover, Guterres said further. Vasavi Kanyaka Parameswari Temple in Andhra Pradesh's Nellore has been decorated with currency notes worth over Rs 5 crore ahead of Dasara. Over 100 volunteers reportedly used denominations of Rs 2000, Rs 500, Rs 200, Rs 100, Rs 50 and Rs 10 for decorations. Nellore Urban Development Authority Chairman Mukkala Dwarakanath said 7 kilograms of gold and 60 kilograms of silver are being used to adorn the goddess. A 5-year-old Motorola phone saved a man's life by stopping a bullet from penetrating his skin during an armed robbery in Brazil. The doctor who treated the phone's owner said the man only had a small bruise near his hip and was quickly discharged. He also shared pictures of the damaged Moto G5, which had a Hulk-themed phone cover.